Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce pasta Jain. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite pasta, like penne or macaroni. For the sauce, prepare 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of milk. We'll also use a selection of Jain-friendly vegetables such as bell peppers, corn, and peas. Don't forget salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for flavor. Now let's make that delicious white sauce. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously for about 2 minutes until the flour is lightly toasted and fragrant. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in 2 cups of milk, ensuring there are no lumps. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. While your sauce is simmering, cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well. Now, add your prepared Jain vegetables like colorful bell peppers, sweet corn, and green peas directly into your thickened white sauce. Stir them in gently. Finally, add the cooked pasta to the sauce, tossing everything together until every piece is beautifully coated. Season with salt, black pepper, and that hint of nutmeg. Your delicious Jain white sauce pasta is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot, perhaps with a garnish of fresh cilantro or a light sprinkle of chili flakes for a little kick. This creamy, flavorful dish is perfect for any meal and adheres perfectly to Jain dietary principles. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals we've found just for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.